waiting. How may I help you?
I would like to book a room
Certainly, ma'am. What date will you be arriving?
on May 8, 2026.
For how many nights, ma'am?
I'm going to stay for 1 night only.
For how many people, ma'am?
Just me.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just check the availability of rooms. I am glad to inform you, ma'am, that we have available rooms on those dates. We have a single room. It costs 1,000 pesos per night. We also have a standard room. It costs 2,000 pesos per night. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
I want to pick the single room.
Okay, ma'am. Let me process your reservation and I'll be asking for some information. May I have your full name, please?
My full name is Robilyn Taltap.
May I also have your contact number and email address, please? Your contact number first.
My contact number is 09705-787812.
How about your email address, ma'am?
My email address is robilynpaltap@gmail.com.
May I also have your complete address, please?
My complete address is Balimasay, Molinaw, Pangasinan.
Are you affiliated to any company, ma'am? Alright, ma'am. Your reservation has been recorded. As a company policy, we will charge 50% of your total bill to guarantee your reservation. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I want to guarantee my reservation.
Alright, ma'am. How would you like to pay your bills?
I want to pay my bills using my credit card.
May I have the cardholder's name, please?
The cardholder's name is Robilyn Paltap.
May I also have the card number, please?
The card's number is 01567980.
May I also know the expiration date of your card, please?
The expiration date of the card is May 2030.
Alright, ma'am. Let me confirm your reservation. You have reserved a single room for 1 night from May 8 to May 9, 2026. You are Miss Robilyn Paltap from Balimasay, Molinaw, Pangasinan. Your contact number is 09705-787812. Did I get the correct details of reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you have any special requests, ma'am?
None.
Alright. For the cancellation policy, cancellation is allowed a week prior to your arrival. However, cancellation on the day for booking is not allowed and no refund is given. Thank you for having a reservation with us. We look forward to see you on May 8, 2026.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, it's under the name Robilyn Paltap.
Alright, ma'am. Let me just check our system. Alright, ma'am, I have found your reservation. You booked a single room for one night, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I kindly ask for your valid ID, please? Thank you, ma'am. Kindly fill out this form, please. Thank you, Miss Paltop. Your room number is room 143. Here is your key card, ma'am.
Thank you.
Alright, ma'am. Breakfast is served from 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning at the West Wing. If you need any assistance, please dial 0 from your room phone.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.